Working on this on the Civic AC evaporator core now. What happened is that we change old expansion valve here and we replace a new one. The reason to change this old expansion valve is that the gas not circulating through it. So we have to put on a new one now. This is the Honda vehicle that we're working on, and we're actually gonna change dryer as well too. This here is where the evaporator core located. That is the thing that we change the expansion valve on. This is the dryer here that we're gonna change. It located right here, and I'm pointing at. This is the old one on the vehicle now, so we soon install the new one here. We are installing back the evaporator core. This is the old receiver dryer that we took out, and this is a new one we're going to install. But first we're going to put it in the vise to take off the pressure switch. This pressure switch can use back because you do not get it with the new dryer. So I gotta take it off and install it on the new one. Also, we're gonna take off the bracket as well. This is the bracket that bolted down on the vehicle so the dryer can stay firm. I'm going to install about the dryer now. We finish install the dryer and we're just pressurizing the system now. Checking for leak, no leak on the system. So we're going to regas it back now. This is the side glass guy and I'm pointing on it. You see the green thing bubbling, that's the gas. The reason why it's showing green is because that is in the system. So whenever you see it flowing like that, you know that the expansion valve is clear and everything is going okay. Guys, that's it. AC working properly. The outside pipe here is sweating, very cold. The dryer glass is clear. I'm just gonna check inside. And the glove compartment fit up back. Everything working good. Remember guys, I changed the expansion valve receiver dryer and everything is working good now. AC feel new and very nice. Seems like a new car again with the AC working up